So, hello everyone. Today in this video, I have come with one more ways through which you can generate passive income for yourself. The platform that I'm using today is called as Canva itself. So you can make a bunch of money by using Canva by registering yourself as a freelancer and by designing thumbnails, posters, flyers and many more. But today in this video I have come with a program which is launched by Canva itself, through which you just need to design templates, illustrations and icons for the Canva platform itself. So the program is called as Canva Creator Program, in which the Canva itself wants we guys to design the templates, illustrations, icons for the Canva platform, right? So whenever the other Canva users uses your made designs, you will be paid a certain amount of money. So it is also a digital product that you just need to put your time and effort once, and it will be generating you money every single time the other user uses your designs. So without getting late, let's get started. Firstly, open up your browser and search for Canva Creator Program, or the link will be available down there in the description. You can check out from there as well. Once you click on that link, this web page will be appearing on your screen, which will be written like creator for a marketplace like no other. So you just need to click on become a creator button down there, and this will redirect you the login page. So you just need to register yourself by providing the Gmail ID, or you can continue with Google as well. So once you have provided your email ID and password, set a strong password so that for the security purpose there is no issue. And once you are done with the login part, this web page will be popping up on your screen. Now you need to decide what kind of designs that you guys are interested in designing. There are three options over here. One is templates, second one is elements, and third one is called as educational resources. Now, in order to register for the educational resources, you need to have a verified educational account either on YouTube or any other social media platform. You just need to have a strong command on Canva so that you can teach others how to use Canva. So basically, if you are a verified teacher on any of the platforms, you can apply for this. In this video, I'll be not discussing about that. If you want a dedicated video on that, leave a comment in the comment section. I will make a separate video on that as well. So talking about the other two, which is templates and elements, it is pretty much easy. You just need to be a designer for that. So firstly, let's discuss about elements. I'll be discussing about templates as well. So firstly, let me cover the template section. So template is a section wherein you design icons, illustrations, photos and videos for the Canva platform. So just click on the element section and this page, this form will pop up on your screen. Provide your first name and provide your last name and email account that you are using on the Canva platform itself. You can provide that over here and select your country and your preferred language. Nextly, the Canva will ask what type of elements that you are interested in designing. So you have photos, graphics, music and audio. Now if you're a photographer and if you have a bunch of photos that is available on your gallery, you can just upload it over here, because at least your photos can generate money for you. You just need to click on which you guys are really interested in. So photos, if you're a photographer, you can click on this. Graphics, there are a bunch of different AI tools through which you can generate icons and illustrations and upload it over here, which makes your work become easier. So for that reason, you can select graphics. And if you are a music or a sound engineer, you can check on music and audio. Make sure that you don't upload the videos and audios of others, because copyright issue will be claiming on you. So on the next option, we have, if you're an educational specialist, you just need to click on this. I'll go with no and click on the submit button. So that's it, pretty much that's it. You are now eligible for designing elements on the Canva platform. Now, one big issue with this is that there are tons and tons of people out there registered for the element section. Now every single one is interested in designing elements for the Canva section. So what happens is Canva will filter out certain amount of candidates only. So you just need to, the probability of you getting selected as a element designer for the Canva is pretty much high. no worries in that. But the problem is you just need to wait for a certain period of time. It may take weeks or near to a month. You will get a confirmation on your email account that you have provided here, and once you receive the email, you are done with it. You can design elements on this section. So that's how you can just design elements for the Canva platform and make money. So that was all about the element section. So nextly, if you're interested in designing the templates for the Canva platform, you just need to apply on the template section over here, which is what we'll be discussing in this video. To register yourself as a template designer, click on the template section over here, and this will redirect you to this page. Now for the template section, you need to be a verified graphic designer, or you need to have a strong command on the Canva platform. So for that reason, you need to submit your portfolio. Basically, if you're a graphic designer, you will have a design portfolio website, right? So you need to submit that over here, or else I'll suggest you one thing. Take all your design works and create a folder on the Drive page. Now, keeping the view as public, copy that link and paste it over here so that the Canva authority can view your design and verify you as a designer. So that is the easiest thing that you can do. Or else if you have a portfolio dedicated to design part, you can upload that link directly over here. But make sure that every single elements or every single design that you're showcasing on this is publicly available for anyone, so that there should be no issue while Canva verifying your design works. So you can do that as well. Share your Drive link, Google Drive link, in which you have listed all your design works. That is the easiest thing that you can do. So nextly, Canva wants to verify you as a genuinely interested candidate. So for that reason, they are asking for a 1 to 2 minute video telling about yourself. So what you can do is record a video of yourself telling about your design experiences or generally about yourself, and create a YouTube channel and upload your video on that particular YouTube channel on the unlisted section, so that nobody else will watch it. Now copy that link and paste it over here. That is the easiest thing that you can do. No one else can see your video, but only the people with the link can. So you can do that. Or else if you have any other resources through which you can share your video, you can do that. Pretty much most of them did the same thing. Even I too did the same thing. I uploaded a video on the unlisted section of my YouTube channel and copied that link and pasted it over here. So that's the one thing that you can do. So the next option is all about how did you learn about Canva Creator Program. So you can just go for social media accounts, or you can select any of the options and your country, and you're done. Just click on the submit button. Now what happens is Canva platform will verify and will go through the documents that you have submitted and will provide you with the opportunity to design for the Canva platform. 99% of the time your account will be verified and you will be eligible as a contributor to the Canva platform. So no worries in that. You just need to wait for 2 to 3 weeks so that Canva core team members will go through your so-called resume application and will verify you. So that's how pretty much it works. That's it. You just need to submit and wait for the confirmation to receive from the Canva platform. Once you receive the confirmation from the Canva platform, you will be undertaking a course from the Canva platform itself, which teaches you how to use Canva from the basic level to the advanced level. So no worries in that. Even if you are new to Canva, the Canva platform itself will provide you with the opportunity to learn about Canva. So that is pretty much it. So that's it. So once you are done with the training session, you will be working for Canva as a designer. So that's how it works. If you really felt that this video was informative, give me a thumbs up and stay tuned with us by subscribing. I'll be bringing more such insightful videos. Do like and subscribe and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Till then, I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Happy learning.